Here we have a Fiat Ducato motorhome, and this is a Jayco edition motorhome, fitted in skin, acrylic, ivory, sheepskin. We have separate headrests. Being a captain's chair has 4 armrests, all 4 armrests independent and covered. On the bases, the door side, you have the height adjustment front and back. That's still accessible and adjustable with our seat covers fitted. Like a lot of motorhomes, seats are captain's chairs, so can rotate to the back of the cabin. As you can see, seats rotate so you can access the back, even with our seat covers fitted.